Hi, this is Janess from Vaughn Family Farm, and it is our first summer here in Tennessee. And as you can hear, we moved the year of the big cicada hatch. My understanding is it's not like this every year. They only hatch like a big hatch like this every 17 or so years. So I just thought I'd share with you how it is. It's pretty loud here during the day. At night, it's not. What is super interesting is you can just drive down the street a little ways and you won't hear any cicadas at all. Like, you might hear some. So I don't know if it's because the pasture right behind, or the forest right behind our house, that we have it, or what. We were just blessed with getting all the cicadas. As you can, I don't know if you can hear that, that's something else. But the males are the ones making those noises, and the females actually are pretty quiet. They're just laying their eggs everywhere. For when those eggs hatch, they'll fall to the ground and then stay down there for another, I think it's 13 to 17 years. And then they'll have a big hatch again. So if you're looking for the sounds of cicadas, this is what you're looking for. So we netted our fruit trees, but we still had some get in because it like opened. And this is the type of damage that they do. They cut into the fruit trees there and lay their eggs. So when you're looking for cicada damage, that's what it looks like. These are the skins that they shed when they come out of the ground. So you will find these all over the place.